This how to 1 minute will show you how to add a star rating widget in WordPress. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to easily add or create a star rating widget for your WordPress website. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and we will install Elementor plugin. So go to the plugin section and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type Elementor and here you will get the Elementor plugin. All you have to need, install and activate this Elementor plugin. Once done, I'm going to my post section and now I'm going to edit this post because I want to add a star rating widget to this post. Once you are in post editor, click on edit with Elementor and once you are in Elementor page builder, scroll down and let's add a new container and I'm selecting this structure and clicking on this plus icon, and first of all let's add a image here. So drag and drop the image here and click on choose image and I'm selecting this image first, and now I want to make this image a little bit smaller, so I'm going to click on style and here I'm giving width 40 pixel, and now let's add a heading here. So click on this icon and here drag and drop heading like this, and I'm writing the name here and selecting H3 and making it center, and now again click on this icon and here select text editor, add text editor. I'm typing a short description here and click on style to make this text center, and once done again click on this icon and now here search for star and drag and drop this star widget like this and make the star rating widget center, and you can change the star from here. I'm selecting 6 star and rating, I'm giving rating 5 star, and it's completed. Now I'm going to fill up these 3 container, so I'm going to copy this image. So right click on the image and click on duplicate, and now drag and drop this duplicate image here, and to replace the image click on choose image and select a different image and right click on the name, duplicate, drag and drop it here like this, change the name, right click on description, duplicate, drag and drop it here, right click on star rating widget, duplicate, drag and drop it here like this, and you can change the rating from here. That's all. Let's add these 2. And let's update the post and let's preview it. And as you can see, I've successfully added a star rating widget to my WordPress. So that's it. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.